Yeah, you see that? Here the water is shallow water, 20 feet.
Yeah.
Bottom is just sand, a couple of rocks. Sometimes you put your hands in the bottom, you can hear the noises.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes, now it's quiet. Sometimes super strong. If you want to try to go straight down or over there, that's too strong.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So divers come here?
Sometimes, just to know if it's a huge hole or something. Really no one.
No one knows.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. We got many way out here, 80 miles out. We got a huge one, maybe 3 or more bigger than this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, this is a volcano. Amazing guys, because one guy from Georgia University, they dive here. And,
They make tests.
yeah, sometimes with a plastic glass, they keep many bubbles, put it in hand, over. Later with a lighter, make it flame.
Oh yeah?
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's natural gas, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I might